The traditional manufacturing industry is in the midst of a digital transformation. Evolving technology solutions are enabling the interaction between the virtual and real worlds to open up new ways for organizations to integrate customer needs into their development and production processes. Digitalisation is a critical enabler of positive change for greater efficiency, sustainability, and security. By leveraging digital technologies, you can improve speed and efficiency, increase production, decrease costs, and provide a better customer experience. Product and machine design via digital twins transform your business processes and create new opportunities for product innovation, as well as generate a digital thread where you can visually conceptualize your real-world manufacturing processes. The key to exploiting the potential of digitalization lies in your data. It's the moving force. By collecting, processing, and analyzing the data of your machines and plants in a secure environment, valuable insights into your production processes and assets can be attained, enabling them to be continuously optimized for competitive gain. However, to create truly scalable value means seamlessly bridging OT and IT at all levels. Their integration will bring a more coordinated response to your business requirements, shared resources, and cost reductions. If you want to remain competitive, digitalization is not a question, it is a must. Parmley Graham has a team of industry experts ready to help engineer your digitalization applications. By partnering with the world's best manufacturers, we can offer a comprehensive range of solutions, from digital twins to gathering and analyzing data safely and securely. Our experts will work with you to understand your smart technology requirements and advise on solutions to meet your needs. We can help develop your knowledge and skills to engineer in-house or introduce our partners who can do this for you. Digitalization is the process of digitalizing information. Whatever your requirements are, simply contact your local Parmley Graham branch today.